this right here is the Dewalt DCM200. This is an 18 volt XR band file. Now, what you'll notice about this is looking at it, like I said, a band file. This isn't a tool that you'd see often. Essentially, imagine a belt sander, but on a much smaller scale. Perfect for the likes of mortises, perfect for cleaning up holes that you may have drilled, need a nicer finish on it, and also going to be great for cleaning rust off of metal. With this tool, you are getting some pretty impressive technology. First of all, you'll notice on the back, you've got this nice variable speed dial, ranging from 579 through to 1700 meters a minute, and that is in terms of speed of the belt itself. You've also got a nice variable speed trigger here, and this tool is also going to be much more efficient when you combine it with a power stack battery. You can get it in a kit with the power stack battery over at its.co.uk. You're just seeing that increased efficiency from the tool all round. With something like this, you need it to be nice and lightweight because you are going to use this for a pretty impressive amount of time, and therefore you want to reduce strain on your arms, and combining it with the power stack battery is going to be a very good way to do so, especially because the tool itself is actually quite light. Alongside from that, you're going to want to keep the material that you are working against as visible as possible at all times, which is why you've got a nice LED job light on the top of the tool as well. Really impressive band file from Dewalt. This is the DCM200, and you can get it now over at its.co.uk.